Jacob, all that vacuum's gonna fall over.
It's not a vacuum. That's a vac out, pack out. And you can make yours too if you watch this very fun informational video. Let's go over here and I'll show you how we can put these on your M18 wet dry vac. So, M18 wet dry vac. Like we said, we're gonna make this work on the pack outs and how we're gonna do it. So you've ordered a vac out, pack out kit, which comes with your 3D printed feet, your latch, your nuts, your washers, your bolts. It even comes with a handy dandy template and a QR code that'll take you to this video. And this video is your instructions. They're not gonna be written down. So what we're gonna do, first things first, we gotta get our feet, we gotta put these on our, I like to use one of the clear ones. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna line our feet up onto a pack out. Okay, and you would have gotten a small piece of double-sided sticky tape, and we're just gonna cut out some squares, or rectangles, or ovals, or whatever you wanna call it, but don't put it where you wanna drill your holes. You don't have to do this. If you're Mr. Tape Measure, Ruler, Marker, that's fine. But I find this helps. So get all your feet pushed and aligned where you want them. And the way this goes on is you want it as far forward as possible. So pretty much get it aligned. There's indentations that are meant to fit the hole. Make sure it all looked fine when you set it down. Give it a little push, give it a little wiggle, then slide yourself forward while you're pushing down so you know that it's adhered, and pick it up, okay? Now you've got your feet basically attached. Okay, now we're gonna come back over here. We don't need the template yet. So, an 11/64 drill bit. And with these still attached, you're gonna basically drill these holes out, okay? Drill each one of your holes. Don't worry about your latch yet, okay? Then pull them back off, peel the tape off, and always use the same foot from where you got it when you're putting it back on. Okay, so you can see here I've got my drilled holes. I'm peeling my tape off. I'm putting my feet back in. Now, you should have 10 longer ones. And these are going to sort of, longer screws, they're going to sort of tap themselves back, or tap themselves in. Okay. So now we will do some magic fast forwarding. All right, the magic of computers, we fast forwarded to a point, we have our feet on. Okay, now, we're gonna take our template, we're gonna fold it on the bottom line. It might be dotted, it might be orange. That's a really bad fold job, but you know, you get the point. So, we've got our template, and we basically line it up. And you want to get the center of this, okay? So you just sort of go here, and then you'll want to take a punch or something. Get your holes transferred over and then drill these out. Now these are slotted so that you can fine tune your position. So once you've gotten those drilled out, same thing. You're gonna drive these in, they're gonna thread themselves in. Now I'm gonna add, while we're at this stage, if you wanna use silicone, be my guest. And also, this is your vacuum, not mine. If you drill holes in it and it leaks, remind yourself that you drilled the holes, not me. So, I just want to double, quadruple, let you know this, right? This vacuum cleaner is yours. You're drilling holes in it. I've seen people silicone the screws, put screws before they drill, after they drill the hole, but before they put the screws through, in this part, in that part, vice versa. That's completely up to you. You can epoxy these on however you want to attach these. I'm selling you the kit that we've found works best. We have toilet style flange O-rings. Tighten them down, you should be good. But if you want to add silicone, by all means. So now we've got these attached, and now you know the disclaimer. We're going to go ahead and make sure this fits before we do anything else. That's a good sound. Now let's take it back off. I'm going to show you some more. So we're going to pop these, and we're going to get to the inside. So now, this is where you're going to take flat washers. You should have gotten 10 of them. And you're going to slide those puppies down. On every single one of these. Am I missing one? No, I'm not. All right. And you should have got your lock nuts as well. And through the magic of camera work, we will just fast forward this part because nobody wants to sit here and watch me play with my nuts. Isn't this fun?
How come you don't have a Milwaukee one of those?
You want to buy me a set of Milwaukee nut drivers?
Well, don't you have like a little nut driver thing on the end that can go in like
I
the
could,
end of one
but
of those things?
It doesn't have that hollow hole. I have to put a screwdriver on these. So you might have to put a screwdriver on the bottom side to keep them from spinning. So we'll go ahead and do that now and we'll be right back. All right, so I snugged them up until the O-ring started compressing. Good to go. Now we're going to test fit it again. That's a good sound. So at this point, we can take the vac, latch it on, and now it's a vac out, pack out kit completed. So I want to throw a shout out to the original designer, Electron Smith. Thanks for hooking me up with this. Appreciate everyone else in the community. I also appreciate y'all who put in orders. This is gonna come along with your thing, so make sure you scan that QR code. If you're watching this magically and you haven't bought one, head over to store.jacoball.com to buy one. If you have bought one, thank you very much. The Jacoball, appreciate it. Camera girl, Packout Princess back here, she appreciates it because for some reason she likes printing these. And you guys are keeping us busy, so we're going to try to get your orders out as quick as we can. And if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. Like, subscribe, share all this with your friends. And pack out.
Spirit fingers go. You're recording.
She's recording.